welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time joining us, thank you so much for pulling through. Please go ahead and subscribe if you like what you see here on this video. As you guys can see from the title of the video today, I'll be doing a what is in my university bag tag. I know you guys may have seen the what's in my bag tag. I'm doing a what's in my university bag tag to make it more relevant to my uni series so that you guys can also see the things that I find are essential for my day-to-day at varsity. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe again. Like this video if you guys are excited for my next video as well, and please go ahead and leave me any more comments if you guys would like to suggest any videos. If you guys want to leave me some love, do that down below. Let's get straight into the video. Alrighty guys, so the bag that I take with me to campus every single day, okay, I'm lying, I either take this one or my backpack. My backpack is so freaking crusty and so freaking annoying, and it really hurts my feelings that I have to take that backpack to school. So I'm gonna try and find a new one for when I go back. But if I don't carry my backpack, I'm usually carrying this bag. This bag is super big. It's like a shopper bag. I got it from Cotton On in first year, so it's actually lasted me 2 years, but it is kind of on its last leg of life. Like it's kind of breaking free and breaking loose from my life. It's really big and keeps all my stuff in it. So let's go ahead and see what I keep in this bag. First and foremost, the thing that I take to campus every single day with me without fail, this doesn't usually go in my bag, but it is my water bottle. I love drinking water. I love staying hydrated. Please give me a second. I can hear someone is making noise in the back. I keep my water bottle with me every single day. This is a 1.5 liter. This is usually one that I'll take with me to campus. I literally have to lug this around everywhere that I go, but it's just, I need it, so I just do it. Okay. Then the next thing that I keep in my bag, my laptop. I have an Acer laptop, as you guys can see. It's not too big. I had a laptop that was bigger than this in first year, but it died. So this is the laptop that I carry on with me. I carry my laptop with me every single day at school so that I can check my emails, my assignments, follow through with slides when lecturers are lecturing, and so that occasionally I can go onto purpose and check their specials for the day. The next thing that I keep with me is the laptop charger. My laptop battery life is literally so sucky. It will literally can only last me like 2-3 periods max. So I love to keep my charger with me. We pretty much have charging points in all our lecture venues, which is really nice and really essential because the laptops be done. The next thing that I will bring with me to campus pretty much every single day is my course reader for whatever course I'm having, either a TUT for that I have work for. This one is my sociology one from last year. I obviously don't have this year's one, so we haven't started yet, but yeah, I keep my course reader with me, and that just stays with my laptop in my bag so that I'm ready to work whenever. The next thing that I have with me, of course, is my cellular telephone. I always bring my phone obviously to school. What else? What else? The next thing that I bring that accompanies that phone is my charger, as well as my earphones. Do you see how much of a mess my life is? I have regular earphones, which are the iPhone 7 earphones. Then I have the ones that fit into my laptop. It is super annoying to have to change between the two freaking earphones all the damn time. Apple really doesn't respect us for that. They really just don't see us. So this is how my life looks every single day at school. It's sad, really, it's sad. But anyways, the next thing that I keep with me is my student card. I'm not going to show you guys how disgusting I look on that card, but I just keep my student card as well as my room key on my little UCT lanyard. I've literally had this thing since first year. I just keep this with me at all times because that's the only way I can get into res and things of the sort. This has to be on me at all times, and like it's the only way I can get into the library and stuff like that. So the next thing that I keep with me, which is super essential, not going to lie, are my sunnies. I literally bring sunglasses to school, whether it is summer, whether it's winter, whether it's raining, whether it's sunny, you always need sunnies. You literally always need sunglasses. These are more so to like, if people want to greet me, then I'm like, I didn't see you. I'm honestly the worst person for this, but guys, sometimes you're in a rush and people are like, hey, and you're like, I got it. And you need sunglasses for that, especially ones that have these reflective shit on them, because then you will not be able to, people can't see your eyes, then you can actually say you didn't see them. I'm shady, don't I? The next thing that I keep with me at all times is my wallet. You guys know that I did lose pretty much everything that was in this wallet because I had moved all my wallet stuff into my pouch. So this doesn't really have much in it, to be honest. It has my bank card and that's pretty much it right now, and some cash. But I have to have this with me at all times, especially last year and the year before when I was like in my first 2 years. I had meal vouchers. If I didn't bring this and I didn't put my meal vouchers in there, they were probably going to get lost. I was probably going to be eating H2O. I was probably going to be eating this thing for lunch. So this is super important. I bring this with me every single day to campus, whether I have money or not. To be honest, I still bring my wallet. Next thing I bring with me is sanitizer. This is the Oh So Heavenly Happy Hands Tropical Treat 2-in-1 Hygiene Waterless Hand Cleaner, 70 uses per bottle. I bring this with me pretty much every day. You guys are nasty. No, I'm joking. I just use this for any time when, sometimes if I'm like eating and like I don't want to be touching up on the campus tables, I'll sanitize my hands before I eat, after I wash my hands. Next thing that I keep is a pad, just in case. You never know, just in case. Or it's always nice to have one at least if your friend needs one, and then you have one to do. I usually, not always, but I usually bring my spray. This is the Yardley London Bond Street. I really like how this smells. Someone like, I think my mom randomly like this for me, and this is just what I tend to use now on a regular basis. I'll only really use perfume if I'm like going out, but this is my fragrance for every single day. And if it's one of those hot days where I just feel like I may need a little bit of a refresher, I will just spray some of this. In the front pocket of my bag, what I will usually just keep is my converter. If I'm using the one earphones, I don't feel like finding the other, I'll use my converter. You get this with the iPhone 7 or any. I'm making a video. Okay, I use my converter to, if I'm using the one earphones and I don't want to look for the other ones, I just like to have this with me. And also sometimes, guys, when you're in someone's car and then you need an aux, you need it. And then last but not least, the thing that I keep with me at all times is the lip color that I'm wearing. For example, if I'm wearing like a glossy look like this, I'm not going to carry 3, because it took 3 products to get this look. I'll probably just carry the gloss so that I just can keep it looking like this. And this is the gloss that I'm using. It's the Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss. I'm obsessed with lip gloss. You guys won't be seeing me wearing lip gloss in every single look, probably. So yeah, this is what I'll be keeping. And that is pretty much all that you shall find in my university. Okay guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment on this video any more suggestions you guys would like to see for uni videos in maybe the future. And if you guys liked it, if you didn't like it, what you like, what you didn't like, leave that in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring